We shall use Adobe InDesign to create the brochure. At the first level, we'll create a brochure by inserting text and images which gives basic information about the fort. Then, we'll enhance it to make it look more attractive like this one. At the third level, we'll use additional InDesign features to include things like shapes, effects, and paragraph styles. So, let's start with the basic brochure design and build it up to the final level. In this exercise, you will create a simple brochure. Insert shapes and arrange them. Create a new document and save the preset. Create a new layer. Insert and format text. Move objects with the selection tool. Insert a rectangle frame and place an image in it. Use the fitting option for the image. Have a look at the simple brochure displayed. It has the name displayed at the top and other information about the fort displayed below it. The text is formatted and images are inserted. So, let us start creating a similar brochure by opening the InDesign application. We need to create a document and set up the document properties before we start working on it. To create a new document, click the document option from the Create New section on the welcome screen. The new document window will open. Define the number of pages in the document if needed. Uncheck the Facing Pages checkbox. You can set the document orientation as landscape. Specify the required columns and gutter. Set the margin and bleed by clicking in the related boxes and typing the levels. The Save Preset button will help you to save the defined document as a preset which you can use in future. You can access saved presets using the Document Preset option at the top of the window. When you click the Save Preset button, a small window will open. Rename the preset and click OK. To create the specified document, click OK. The new document window will open. First, let us save this file and give it a name. Select the File menu and click Save. The Save As window will open on your screen. Browse to the folder in which you wish to save this file. Enter the appropriate file name and click Save. Click the Layers panel from the panels list. This shows the existing layers. Click the New Layer button at the bottom of the panel. Double-click on New Layer. The Layer Options window opens. Enter the name in the name box. Click OK. Select Type tool from the Tools bar. Drag the cursor on the canvas to create a text frame. A flashing cursor appears in the box. Now start writing the text Raigad in front of the cursor and press Enter. Type the next word, Fort. The text appears in the default font size and color. To change the font, click in the text frame. Click and drag to select the text. In the control panel, click on the font box arrow and select the desired font. To change the font size, click on the font size box arrow and select the appropriate font size. Now, we want to change the alignment of the text. For this, click the Align Center icon from the control panel. Insert other text in your document in the same way. Now, we want to change the position of the text frames. Make sure Selection tool is selected in the Tools bar. Select the text frame. To select multiple objects, hold down the Shift key. Drag the objects to the appropriate positions. Select Rectangle Frame tool from the Tools bar and then click and drag within your document to create a frame of the required size for graphics. Now, go to the File menu and click Place. The Place window is opened. Select the appropriate picture and click Open. You will see the image is placed in your rectangle frame. Select the frame or the picture using Selection tool. From the Object menu, select Fitting and then select Frame Fitting Options. The Frame Fitting Options window opens. Click the Preview checkbox so that you can view results in the document window. To specify the alignment, set Reference Point to Center. Under the Fitting on Empty Frame section, from the Fitting drop-down box, select Fill Frame Proportionally. Click OK. Now, We will insert the remaining text and images in our document in the same way. To see the second page of the brochure, click the Pages panel in the panel list. Now, double-click the page 2. You can see the inserted text and images. Minimize the Pages panel.